Might have to help.
Here. Come on. Open this. This is Pierre's. But Franny will probably take it.
Size of it.
Oh.
Wow.
What about this one, Franny?
Okay. We're going to town on that
Oh,
one.
Pierre, look at this one.
They'll never eat those other ones after they experience this for a...
Oh, yeah.
What size of it?
Oh, it's really like greasy.
Oh, gross. Those bones are bigger than the dogs. They're gonna make a hell of a mess with us. He's been chewing this solid for hours. It won't stop until it's eaten. What are you chewing? You got your massive bone? Oh, I figured it out. Here, you got that side. Walmart should be beaten for this. Oh, he really likes that. Where'd give me that back. Come on. He just ran upstairs with it. Okay.
Why did you use that knife?
A great big bone like that. I can't believe these. Where are you going with that? Grab it. It's bigger than you, little Bichon. What are you doing? Back to the big bone. Haven't given up on that bone, huh?
Thanks, Mom.
Uh-oh.